Okay, so I created a cool slideshow for you guys explaining data security and how Jasmy helps us monetize data through using the Jasmy ecosystem, and also how Jasmy protects our data through using the Jasmy ecosystem. So if you like videos like this, of course, hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Let me know your honest opinion on Jasmy, and if you feel like Jasmy could hit $1 in the next bull cycle. Smash the like button, man. All right, engage with the video. So we're still about the force, but I don't want to make this video about price action. I know a lot of people have been asking me, well, Millie, how does data security work with Jasmy? So let's take a deep dive. I also found out that the guy who created the Sony logo is also the same guy that worked on the Jasmy logo, which is insane information and intel itself. But let's get into it. So Jasmy's primary aim is to provide data security and empower data sharing services. The technology of Jasmy enables metaverse applications established on its network to have a direct data exchange bridge within its network. As a result, this allows people to monetize and govern their data. So a lot of people always question, well, how will the Jasmy token be utilized? What is the utility for Jasmy token? Well, in order for you to monetize your data or secure your data, maybe through a Jasmy data locker, you have to have the Jasmy token. You cannot interact with the ecosystem without the Jasmy token, which gives Jasmy its unique utility, because you need the token to interact with the ecosystem to be able to monetize your data. This goes again for metaverse applications, anything IoT, so anything smartphone device, Internet of Things. Of course, it needs data. And Jasmy has a bridge where you'll be able to monetize your data or even secure and protect it through its ecosystem. But you need the Jasmy token to actually make that come to life. So that's the utility for the Jasmy token and how it can become very useful. You know what I mean? Because people think, well, I can do this without the Jasmy token. Well, you can't. You can't interact with the ecosystem without having some portion of Jasmy, which is why which gives it its utility, should I say. Let's talk about Web3 and the future of Web3. So Jasmy is part of a bigger change called Web3. This is like a new version of the internet that's more private and secure. It's about giving people control over their data and how they interact online. Jasmy's coins and technology play a role in this, making this new kind of internet work better. In simpler terms, Jasmy is like a guardian for your data, making sure it's kept safe and only shared with the right people. It's also like a currency that helps this guardian do its job. This is important as the internet changes to become more secure and respectful of people's privacy. So the more data AI needs, the more bigger these metaverses become, the more that they thrive in need of data, and the more your data is at risk. So the more we move into the future in this cashless society and decentralized society and smart cities and smart this, the more your data is at risk. By interacting with the Jasmy ecosystem and holding on to a small, portion of Jasmy, you're putting yourself in a position to monetize your data. So now these big tech companies, these third-party companies can't bounty your data without your permission, because now your data is protected and locked in the Jasmy ecosystem. Jasmy's unique features. So it says Jasmy Coin. This is like a special token that helps power the Jasmy network. It's used to pay for things and can be transferred between devices. Decentralized storage. Jasmy has a special way to store data that's very secure and spread out, so it's not all in one place. Privacy. It's designed to keep your information private so you don't have to worry about others accessing it without your permission. And of course, NFTs, because Jasmy turns your data into NFTs, which allow you to sell off your data through it becoming an NFT. So Jasmy lets you turn your data into digital assets called NFTs, which you can sell and trade. Jasmy also has a special coin, of course, Jasmy, It's like digital money that's used inside the Jasmy network. You can use it to pay for things and trade it with others. People who use Jasmy and hold these coins can make their data even more valuable. Excuse me. So again, Jasmy and its ability right here, um, and its utility, as you can see right here. So this is how the Jasmy coin is being utilized within the Jasmy ecosystem. It's kind of like a vending machine, right? In order for you to interact with the vending machine, you got to put a quarter in it. You got to put your Jasmy into the ecosystem to be able to monetize or lock your data. So that's how the Jasmy coin is being utilized, and how, you know, the more and more people buy Jasmy or interact with the ecosystem, the more and more unique the Jasmy coin becomes, to where it's like, okay, now you can see, you know, billions of dollars pour into Jasmy because AI needs data. These metaverses need data. Everything needs data. Your smart device, your smartphones need data. And now people are getting smart and they understand, like, I need to protect my data. So this is what makes Jasmy so unique, right? Because we get an opportunity to use the ecosystem to monetize our data, secure our data, and also protect our data. But again, you can't utilize the ecosystem without having Jasmy Coin, which gives it its utility, of course. All right. So how does Jasmy work? I can't paint it no better than this. All right. So think of Jasmy like a super safe bridge that connects different things like your smartphone or your smart car so they can share information. This bridge is built using a special kind of technology called blockchain. This technology makes sure that the data shared between devices is private and can only be seen by the right people. Jasmy also lets you have control over your data so you can decide who can use it and even earn money from it if you want. All right, so that's pretty much how Jasmy works. I mean, the more and more I think about it, the more I'm like, man, Jasmy could be huge in the future. And then you think about the partnerships. These smart cars, right? They got a partnership with Hyundai. Hyundai is rolling out smart cars, right? Autonomous cars that need data, right? They will store data. Jasmy is partnered with Hyundai. Artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, everything in this world right now is living and feeding off data. And this is why data probably will be the top narrative in the next crypto bull run. I mean, it has to be when you think about everything that's being, you know, built in the short term and in the long term, right? You know, I mean, AI, these secure PCs, what do they need? They need data. It's just crazy how everything comes back to data, right? So I also like projects that have products, and y'all know I say this all the time. Jasmy itself has a product, which is the secure PC. I can see businesses ordering these secure PCs all across the world. Why? Because it gives a business an opportunity to kind of like monitor the employees if they're working remotely at home, if that makes any sense. So, you know, why have them buy their own PCs when you can supply them with a secure PC, a blockchain PC that can address challenges faced by businesses. So if you want to know if your employee is working or how long they have been working, these blockchain PCs will be able to track all the data throughout the day, right? I can see a lot of businesses buying these. There's also been rumors that the military is interested in these blockchain PCs, these blockchain devices. So, I mean, this is just a whole nother video I can make about the secure PC. I don't want to get too much into it, but the fact that Jasmy has a legit product the company generates a legit revenue. So regardless if crypto is pumping or dumping, Jasmy is still earning revenue through their product, which is the blockchain PCs. You see how that works? So a lot to look forward to for Jasmy. Hopefully this didn't go over too many people's heads. I don't want to cover the secure PC too much, but I just wanted to give you an idea of my thinking on why I chose to invest into this project. It pretty much covers everything that I like as an investment, right? Product, the ability to generate revenue, community, utility, use case, real world use case. So very, 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 very bullish on Jasmy. Hopefully that explains how Jasmy is being utilized for data security and data monetization. Hopefully a lot of people got a better idea on why Jasmy is a great investment. And the funny thing is, you don't get this too much from crypto projects. Usually this is something like traditional finance. You can tell these guys came from traditional finance because crypto projects are mostly speculation, right? But Jasmy seems to have it all together. You know, it seems to have the framework of a product, a company, and a real world utility. But that's my thoughts on Jasmy. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Hopefully the price action picks up with the utility and use case. I just wanted to give y'all guys something quick. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.